What's up, nail crew? I'm so excited for this video because I have a new nail drill. I have been wanting one for a very long time. I finally got it. Let's test it out. Let's see if it's a pass or some trash. Alright guys, so if you're wondering, this is the nail drill that I've been using for a long time. It's super old. I've had it for a while. It has given me no problems at all. But to be honest, it looks really cheap. It looks kind of old-fashioned, and I just wanted to upgrade. So that brings me to the review that we're doing today. This is the drill that I have. I ordered it off of Amazon, and of course with Prime, that thing came super duper quick. I'm so in love with Amazon, y'all. Like, y'all have no idea. I really do have a problem. But this drill was affordable, and what made me pick this one out of all the other drills was that it was portable. So not only was the price point right, it was about $50, but it was also portable. You recharge it and you can walk from station to station, which for me in school, I don't have a set desk that I sit at, and sometimes I'm not by an outlet. So in that case, if I have a portable drill, you know, I can move from station to station without having to bring an extension cord with me. So I've seen other nail drill reviews on Amazon, and the box looks exactly like this, but it was a different brand. This one is from Miss Sweet. I've seen other brands, but like I said, same box. So I don't know how or what is going on there, but okay. This says long standby time, easy to carry, and high speed. So looking into the box, I have some arbor bands, which is cool. I also have some of these brushes. I don't think I will use these brushes, but okay, thank you. Maybe I'll put it in like a giveaway or something. You guys want these brushes? Let me know. I also have some drill bits, which is always nice. Most drills do come with these type of drill bits. I do have some more arbor bands, like I said before, which is pretty cool that they give you a sample. And let's dive into the fun stuff. I guess this is the hand piece. Let's see. Yes, okay, so it's the hand piece. It's pretty. It's nice and shiny, and it's so cute. It's like more of a rose gold in person, but on camera it looks like a gold. Either way, both colors are very pretty. So it's a little bit heavier than the hand piece that I use currently. This one has like more metal in it. The one that I have, I think, is like all plastic or mostly plastic. So here is the actual drill, and look, y'all. What the hell? This is supposed to be brand new, and there's paint. Okay, there's no other paint anywhere else. All right, so turning it on. It's going on. Like, so far, so good. Aside from that little piece of paint on the back. So far, so good. All right. Let's see. Where the hell do I plug this in? Okay, right here. What? Wait. Okay. So this must be where you connect. I was about to say, like, wait a minute. Y'all sent me something broken. But, okay, this is where the little hand piece goes. Okay. We back on track. We back on track. Nice little belt clip. Here is the hand piece. It goes right in that little socket right there. So far, so good. It's cute. It doesn't have to take up any room on my desk. I like it. Let's look at the little leaflet that came inside. So, yeah, I mean, nothing too out of the ordinary. All of this looks pretty standard as far as drills go. All right, so on the back, it's just giving like a little bit more detail about the drill. 35,000 RPM, guys. Like, I'm never going to go that high. I'm never going to apply that much speed or force. But, I mean, some of you out there might could get it popping, and, well, yeah, there you go. There you go. All right, so nothing too, like, crazy going on here. All that seems pretty standard. So let's just get into playing with the drill. Let's get into the fun stuff. I am going to use one of my old drill bits because I don't want to open the new ones yet. So I'm just going to turn the handle to the left Open that up, pull out this little fake thing they put in there, I guess like a placeholder. And now I'm just going to insert one of my drill bits. Like, this is a common one that I use all the time. So if it works in this drill, then I know so far so good. And it fits, it's nice and snug, all good there. So far so good. You turn it to the left and that releases the drill bit. You turn it to the right and then that secures the drill bit. So right on it, it says R and it says S. All right, guys, so now let's just plug it up and see what happens. I have everything plugged up. Everything's ready to go. Let's just play. Let's just play. This is like always the best part. So it just shuts off like that? What? All right, let me plug it out. Maybe, I don't know. Let me just plug it out. Let's just see. Maybe it's my fault. Maybe it's my fault. So I plugged it out. It's flashing, which I'm assuming a flashing green light means it needs power. Now, that was not stated in the leaflet or on the box, but I can only assume that that's what that means. I plugged it out just to see if, like, I don't know. I don't know why I plugged it out, but I'm going to plug it back in. So I'm going to plug it back in. And I am going to just let that fully charge, because maybe it shut off because I did not give it the full charging time. But it's okay. So it's plugged in and it's still blinking. I shut it off. The red light is on saying that it's charging. And I turned it back on and now the flashing light is gone. So I don't know. All right. I don't get it, because when it's on a low setting like this, it's not giving me a steady flow of a file. I don't know. But when you turn it up, you get a nice even flow. But if I'm filing someone's nails, I'm not going to have it high like that, which is weird. Then you turn it back down. It's okay for a little bit, and then it starts to give you like that same pulse filing. And I don't want it to pulse. Like, I need a steady file. Like, this is so weird. And then it shuts off again. So, all right. I am just going to put this aside, let it charge up for about an hour or two. Let's give it a full 2-hour charge, and then I will come back and we will demo again. So while I have the unit charging, I'm just going to read this leaflet again just in case. Now, look at number 3. It does say, stop the machine once there's any abnormal movement or noise. So basically that they know that this machine is prone to abnormal movement and noises. Like, what? What? So they have that little piece in there, but they don't have anything about that green flashing light. Like I said, I assume that just means you need to charge the unit. Like, that's common sense, I guess, but it should be in here somewhere. You should have had that somewhere in here, but it's not. So again, I'm just going to look over this whole thing front and back and see if there's anything that I'm missing. Like, maybe there's something else that I should be doing, but I don't know. It does say that the motor will stop if there's something going on, but what is going on? What's going on? Like, I need to know. All right, so let me look at the box again. Maybe there's something on the box, okay? It does say built-in overcurrent protection, but I'm not using any extra current. Like, oh my goodness, I don't know. Nowhere on the box does it tell me anything useful. No noise is a big fat lie, because it is loud as hell. I don't know, guys. I don't know. So Yeah. I'm getting kind of frustrated here. Look how cute this thing is. Why won't you just work properly? You are adorable. Oh my gosh, I would love to just keep you, stick you on my belt loop, and take you everywhere I go. Just do me right. Do me right. All right, guys, so it's been about 2 hours of charging. Let's see. Fingers crossed that you work perfectly. All right, so it's doing the same thing. Maybe it's the way I have my drill bit into this unit. So maybe it's me. It's not you. It's me. Okay. I'm okay with being at fault. Let me pull it out. Maybe it was in too far. Let's try. Let's just give it a go. Alrighty. Y'all know what? I'm officially done. Let me take my good drill bit out of this unit. Put my stuff away because I've had enough. I've seen enough. I've done enough. I'm fed up. I'm about to put all this stuff back in that box, package this stuff up, and send you right back to Miss Sweet. Right back. Like, I'm so done. What else came in here? Yup. You could go back to. What else? What else came in this box? Goodbye. What else? I'm trying to throw everything back in this box. I don't want nothing from this kit. Nothing. Them brushes, peace. I ain't want you anyway. These arbor bands, goodbye. Pass or trash? Straight up trash. This was trash. Oh my goodness. I am so disappointed today, guys. I'm so disappointed. And I'm sorry if I brought y'all whole day down with this garbage. I'm so sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway. I really do. All right. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's anything that you want me to review for you, hit me up and let me know. In the meantime, watch these 2 videos and I will see you next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Hugs and kisses. Love you guys.